Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a couple of videos about how to make an extra menu bar, how to name the menu bar, and how to delete it. But let's say we want to add something to this menu bar. Go up to Tools, and I'm using 18 this time because customization is right underneath Options under Tools. And then go to Command Bars, and here is our new toolbar. I thought I'd named it Nudge. Nope. So I'm just going to kind of double click on it and name it Nudge. Hit enter. Now, so there's my Nudge. I've got a couple other toolbars I can just delete. And anyway, so we're back and we've got our Nudge and we can turn our Nudge on and off. But let's say you want to use the zoom. When you click on it, because it's one of the options, you can hold down the Alt and the Control button. Well, you have to hit OK first. And then take that and get it where it sees that grayed out line. Now you have the zoom and the nudge on your toolbar, and you don't have to be on the zoom tool. You can be on any tool, and you have your nudge and your zoom tool. So here we got that. We're not on the zoom, but we can zoom in and out. So that's how you would add, and this is a little bit tricky with these kind of grayed out blocks. You can move this stuff over and kind of reposition it, but it kind of messes it up, so you kind of got to replant it. Anyway, and then just go to Tools, Customization, and you can go to Command Bars, and then you can take that zoom away. You could take the nudge away and be back to default. That way, if you ever wanted that nudge there again, or the zoom there again, you would have it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.